Today morning, after so long, my aunt received her Nykaa package. Let's have a look into it. Now I'm gonna unbox it.
Come on, hurry up.
Wait for a while, it needs some time to open. Why are you so excited?
I'm damn excited because I received the delivery after so long. Actually, Nykaa का packaging इतना अच्छा है and the pack is so tight, it needs a long to open it up. Okay, now finally it's open. Here's the bill. Okay, yeah, it must be the compact. Lakme. So here it is, Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance. Previously I used to use Maybelline. फिर मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि ये यूज़ करके देख. So I decided to order it. Oh, lovely. Perfect shade for me, I think. 185 is the printed price, but it took 162 from me. Here is the Ramsons Sexy Heart perfume. I think it's the best for me. The printed price is 66, but it took 53. Oh, Nykaa is so good and so kind of it. कितने डिस्काउंट में मुझे दे रहे हैं. ये एक्चुअली ये मेरे बैग में हमेशा रहता है because I'm in love with this. And next, I think it must be the aloe vera gel. Okay. So qraa 9-in-1 multi-purpose aloe vera gel, extra 20%. Its printed price is 199, but it took 159. ये मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया. It's the first time I'm using it. अगर अच्छा लगे तो I'll definitely post the review on YouTube. Okay. Now Lakme 925 Primer plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. I took this shade. The printed price is 475, but it took just 299. So now I can see it must be Lotus Herbals. Yeah, it must be the face wash जिसके लिए मैंने बहुत दिन वेट किया. ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन मुझे डिलीवरी नहीं मिला. लोटस WhiteGlow 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Skin Whitening Facial Foam. कितने दिनों बाद. Its price is 205, though I got no discount over it. So here is Biotique Bio Mountain Ebony Serum for Falling Hair. ये सच में बहुत अच्छा है. Its price is I think 185, and again no discount. Wait, let me guess. My god, it's so big. I didn't expected it. It's the facial massage cream. Beeone mixed fruit facial massage cream. Its price is 265, but it took only 212. So ये भी मैं first time use करूँगी. So let's open it. ये देखने में सच में बहुत ही बड़ा है. दो मैंने ये यूज़ नहीं किया कभी. Oh no, the quantity is so less. इससे यूज़ करके मैं इसका रिव्यू डेफिनेटली पोस्ट करूँगी. Till then, bye bye, and today my video is over. Tata.